Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Grace Fernandico. I'm from the Philippines.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Okay, are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yeah, I have two children, boy and girl.
Where are they now?
They are in the Philippines.
They are in Philippines. Okay, who's looking after them in Philippines?
My husband.
Your husband. What
Yeah.
position are you applying for?
I'm maid,
Housemaid. Okay,
housemaid.
so when would you be able to start working?
January. I'll be able to work at February, first week of February.
First week of February.
February until
Okay.
my contract is finished.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have.
You have. Okay, please describe your present job. What are your duties and responsibilities for your present employer?
I am a hardworking person. I am honest, and I'll do my best to work with them. With and I'll make it.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities? What are you doing? What are your tasks? Like, for example, are you in charge of cleaning the house, cooking?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm I am I cleaning, cooking, and if they have a children, I'm taking care of their children.
Okay, so you're in charge of cleaning and sometimes cooking, and then
Yes.
if it is requested, you also do babysitting. Okay,
Okay.
so describe how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
First, when I wake up in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
I clean the TV room and then the
Okay.
dining area.
Mm-hmm.
I remove first the dust, and then second I use the vacuum, and then I will using mop and
Mm-hmm.
dry it, and then prepare. I wake up first early and then clean the TV room and dining room, and then prepare the food of the children.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I clean the kitchen, and
Mm-hmm.
then I taking care of the baby,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that, when they are sleeping, I clean the upstairs, and every 1 week I change the bed sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also I using mop and vacuum after before that I remove first the dust.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I ask first who is
Mm-hmm.
in the door.
You're going to ask first. Okay,
Yes.
just to make sure. Okay. So
I'm not going to open the door.
mm-hmm. So you said you can cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Only Arabic food.
Arabic foods and Filipino foods, of course.
Yes, I know Filipino food.
Okay, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
I expected more 1,500 dirhams or 2,000 dirhams.
2,000 dirhams, at
2,000
least
dirhams. At
2,000
least
dirhams.
2,000 dirhams.
Okay, so describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I am Grace Fernandico, and I am honest, and I am hardworking, and I'll do my best to work with him with a nice attitude and
Mm-hmm.
honest with him.
Okay, so you're hardworking and honest. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from madecv.com. Thank you.